Good morning, gorgeous people. We have been up for breakfast, we are dressed and we are about to head to Selfridges. The Lion's going to do a bit of shopping of his own and I'm going to meet up with the YouTube contingent. This is outfit of the day. This is this oversized shirt that I got from John Lewis. Can't remember the brand name, I think it might just be John Lewis, but I really like this detail here. Sorry, it's quite noisy outside, so I'm wearing that because Fendi are hosting us today. Well, I couldn't really wear anything else than my Fendi silk trousers, and obviously meeting the very queen of Fendi herself, Dale's Addiction. And for the eagle-eyed amongst you, bag of the day is a little bit camouflaged. So this is your sneak peek of what I bought yesterday in Harrods with the other girls from YouTube's, and it is exactly how I imagined it to be with my silk trousers. It is perfection, and I'm wearing my Gucci sneakers again, and I'm wearing mismatched socks. I love wearing these socks together because this one has got a lily on it and this one has a daisy on it. So even when I'm out and about, I've got my girls with me. So that is outfit of the day and we're off to Selfridges. Excitement levels are now officially off the charts. I'm actually quite nervous. We're outside Selfridges. Where is it? There it is. You can see the sign, Selfridges, and there's the building. The Lion is going to be doing his own shopping today, so he's going to ditch me in Selfridges to meet up with the others, and I'm actually a little bit nervous. I am actually a little bit nervous. Right, okay, we're going in. Excited! It's not the shopping you were here for, but what have you spotted?
A DeLorean.
A what?
A DeLorean.
Oh. How cool is that? You want one, don't you?
Maybe if it can take me back to like 1985, that'd be lovely. Now where's Fendi? Fendi Selfridges took us upstairs to the private suite where they plied us with champagne and canapes. They had asked us not to film up there, so I felt very naughty getting this footage. But it's not every day you get a gaggle of beauties like this together and have an experience like this, so I took the risk and I took some footage. Just look at all those goodies they had out for us. There they go with that damn pink again. I couldn't resist trying on a couple of pieces of outerwear. I love this jacket, love, 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 keep looking at it. The Lion suggested this outfit says, I like Fendi!
Yeah, I messaged her and she was like, I thought it was Sunday. And I was like, no, I know. Yes, so she's going to come and
guacamole. We've got Nick.
Everyone's getting it.
We've got Steph. We've got Leslie. We've got Dale.
What are you doing?
We've got, what am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm doing my vlogger job.
You're so camera shy.
So we have very special people.
Claire, Dave, and Hannah. We've got everyone. Where is everyone? We've got these guys as well. Hello. Hello. It's like vlog. It's like YouTube Inception.
We are both vlogging at the same time. We are going for food now.
I will of course have everyone in Team Luxury YouTube's channels linked down below in my description. Go and check out all of their videos. There will be plenty coming. Gotta have a silly snapshot too, and Steph captured this wonderful selfie of all of us. We had such fun and laughed a lot.
Pink is a luxury, apparently. It is.
Yeah, a gaggle and a bad influence of
Fabulousness.
of fabulousness. You name it, we're it.
The Bankrupt Club.
Bankrupt Club.
Shall we stop?
We have a number of hungry YouTubers here. We're looking for somewhere to accommodate. There's 12 of us now. And yeah, we're hungry now. We've drunk a lot of champagne, we've looked at a lot of cute things, and we want to eat something. It's a beautiful day, and can we take a moment just to appreciate how beautiful London is? Look at this road here, with the taxi now going down it. Isn't that just glorious, just beautiful? Noisiest people on the street today, this lot.
We found a spot at this place, Mercato, that had clearly been a church at some point. It was lovely to sit and just relax after all that shopping. And although this sign says wine shop, it really should say we shop. These people are all utterly fabulous, and it was so nice to just chat without any distractions of all of the pretty things. It really was an honour to meet up with these like-minded crazy individuals. It felt like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to hang with my peeps, and doing this editing has made me all emotional thinking about it and reliving it.
I can't help but feel there's some plotting going on. Yeah. You two. There's definitely plotting going on. Look at the sea of Fendi straps and beautiful bags. Louis, Chanel, Mulberry. We got it all going on here, kids. It's been a big day. I'm all hot, bothered, excited, giddy. I've got some people over here. The Lions joined us. Hello. Hello. We've got Meredith and Amelia Rose over there. Oh look! In the window. We've got Dale and Claire. There's we're everywhere. And we're back in the bosom of Fendi. And a gaggle of YouTubers and a lion. That's the colour of mine! That's the colour of mine! It's gorgeous!
There's a space in the pink club out here, so...
How dare you!
I've never thought about a pink bag because I don't know, but I do like it.
The lighting is always terrible, isn't it? They are What kind of pink? That one. That one.
Like pair of sunglasses.
Okay, that's very
Yeah.
early 2000s.
It is. I'm going to say it's probably no.
I think you should try those ones there.
It's a little bit
They
like,
look like old Oakleys.
you know, they look to me like I went back to the future.
Absolutely rocking them.
And I'm at
Well, you would
least
know you went back to the past.
50.
It's got stuff sticking out. You need to take the extra out.
Okay, stop shoving things in his mouth. Okay. Hang on. Hold on. Can I put a card in? Make a deposit. There you go. That's cards fit. The cards fit. Cards fit.
Oh, it's brilliant.
The cards fit.
Yeah.
With all that crap I'll tell you another joke. Well, let's go drink very much.
Here we are. We found a pub and we're cheers.
For
Woohoo!
the third time.
Unbelievable.
Have fun in that.
What a day. What a day. We have had champagne. We have been looked after. We have had all of the pretty things and we are at a bar now. There they are. All of the lovely, lovely YouTubers. I am so excited to share vlogs with you. These guys, some of these guys have vlogged as well. When you see them come up, watch them. We've had an absolute blast. I think you're going to enjoy it. Watch out for everyone's channels. Watch out for Dale, Meredith, Amelia, Rose, everyone. Steph's been vlogging. Everyone. Just watch out for their channels and we'll see you there, and it's been an absolute blast.
Everybody, it's like